Okay, good morning. Today's topic is email templates in Salesforce. Here, what is an email template? You are creating one email template to send a mass number of emails to different users. That is the main aim of this creation of email templates in Salesforce. Here, the Salesforce email templates are used to automate the business process. That means you don't need to send each and every person email. That means you will send n number of persons, thousand person, persons, millions of person. You will send one email, and then you can design the structure and content. That means in your own way. That means different ways you will design your own structure and then own content. And another important one here is the email templates are used to send a mass emails. That means n number of users at a time you will send a emails, and then you have a different email templates are there in Salesforce. What are the different email templates? The first one here is a text email template. Other one here is a HTML using classic letterhead. Other one here is a custom without using classic letterhead, and then visual force. These four different email templates in a Salesforce. The first you will discuss about the text. That means the main intention of email template in this case here is a approval process, and then use in a workflow rules. That means you can use this type of email templates in a workflow process. Yeah, for the text, the email template for the text, and then email template for the HTML with letterhead, email template for the some without letterhead, a custom HTML template. The first you will discuss about the by using email template by using text. How can you do that one? Here first you will go to the navigation setup like this: administrator, the communication template, and then classical email template, and then new template, and then go to the text. Here go to the Salesforce login page. Here log into the Salesforce. How can you log into the Salesforce? Login.salesforce.com. Here in this case you will identify the Salesforce template. Here how can you go? First go to the um, this setup page. Setup. Here you will identify the administrator. In the administrator you have a some, what is the next thing? The otherwise if very difficult to identify, then type here email template. Here the classic email template, the communicate under the communication template, the classic email template. Click on classic email template. Here you have a already created email templates are there. You go for the new template. Here click on new classic template. That means you are going to writing something here. Then you have a different templates are there. One is a text template. Other one is HTML using classic letterhead. Other one here is the custom without using classic letterhead. Finally visual force pages. Here the first you will discuss about the text template. How can you prepare a text template for the email? Here the next, click on next. Here it will ask the email template. Here for example you have a employee table. Here in particular employee object, in particular employee object, one particular employee send a particular letter or email to the principal. For example a number of employees are there. The number of employees sent to the um, leave letter, let us assume leave letter to the principal. How can you do that leave letter? Here how can you perform that one? The email template name, for example emp underscore email, employee email, and then the description you may write any description. Here dear sir or madam, and then under this here you need to write something, anything here. For example I some person, for example I a person name. How can you get the person name? For example the contact field, the contact field here is a employee. Here employee field, first selecting the employee field. Employee field, under the employee field, you have to select the employee name, e-name, department number, some custom fields are there, mobile number, e-name, e-name. Here, this is a name of the field. Here, you have to copy this one, and then the subject here. What is the subject? Email from, paste it here. The employee name, email underscore template, employee name, subject, the subject, email from the employee name. Employee name in this case here, for example, Uma, one employee, that means it will display that name, and then Rama is a one employee. Like that, a number of names are there here. For example, I, Uma Maheshwar Rao, let us assume, from CSC department, and then I need, let us assume, I need, you may take the how many days are 10 days. Oh, let us assume 10 days. I need 10 days leaves. Okay, from that case, how many days? That means the one indicates that how many days of leaves. Date here, what is the date? And then the second important thing here is a number of days. And then here, by the name, here you may write the name of the particular person, and then this is a format here. This format sends different person. That means not like this. You may prepare your own way, a number of ways. The text to email representation. This is a simple format of text to email representation, and then save it here. Next, you move on to the send text and verify the merge field. Here, click on the send text and verify. That means you will verify yourself whether it is particular mail sent the contact person, the contact or lead or contact person. Here you may select the particular contact person. From here you have a different contact persons are there. From Uma Maheshwar, from Uma Maheshwar to for Uma Mahesh. Let us assume from Uma Maheshwar, the email ID is a umamahesh@gmail.com. From the department here, any department you may select that one. From here you may select the contact. From the contact, not recently viewed contacts, nothing was there, that's why you may select anyone. For example, let us select it from the account section. Yeah, you may select the from this person. Yeah, send email preview to this person, Mahesh Bhatta at gmail.com. That means I am sending some information. Here the verification information, whether it is reached or not. Yeah, it is having like this. The template, email template, this one, this template will reach the, that means you may attach the file, the template file also. For example, you want to any file, the employee data or some, choose the attachment file. From the computer is telling, okay, I'm click on the department option, open that one, and then done. Here you attach some file also here, and then you send some request, whether it request reached or not, verify that one. Here comes here, that means you got an email from this information. Be careful this message. Here I got a one message here, dear Sarah madam, I am from CSC department, I need 10 days leave, the date until that means this particular mail comes here. In this way you will create the different format of emails. For example, is the text format of email. Here come to the second one, the email template, HTML with letterhead. How can you do the HTML with the letterhead format? Here HTML with the letterhead format are used to send a description, company logo, header, footer, and some of the different information to the customer. Different kind of information you will send a, that means you will create the letterhead heading, and then to create email template with HTML letterhead, first you have to go to the letterhead option, create a letterhead option. How can you create that one? Here same setup, administrator, communication template. In the communication template there exists a letterhead. Go to that case. Here the second important thing here is a go to, how can you go that one? Go to setup, the communication administrator. In the administrator they have a communication, the communication template. Under the communication template there is a classic letterhead. Click on classic letterhead. Here this is a the setup your letterhead to standardize the look and feel of the HTML email. That means you are going to creating the letterhead here. This type of letterhead you are going to creating. Don't show this page again. Okay. Click on next. Here, if you comes to the new letterhead, click on new letterhead. Click on new letterhead, and then the letterhead label. The letterhead label in the sense, how can you letterhead leave letter underscore u underscore letter, simply letterhead name, and then you may write the description. The letterhead name consists of some description. Let us assume this is the letter for getting permission from authority. Getting permission from head of the department. That is a description. This is a letterhead information, and then save it and available to use. And then this is a format of the letterhead. Edit the letterhead properties, and then edit the background also, and then edit the body. This is a letterhead properties. Set the, here you may set the logo. Here for example I'm going to setting the logo. The logo here is a already available one logo is there, the Salesforce logo, I think so. And then I am using the letterhead properties, the background information, left side information, and then right side information, the top width, and then okay. This is a letterhead information. Edit the line. Here you may edit this one. For example, height 5. I'm taking 4. And then body color, you may write anything, edit the middle line, and then you may apply this one any information, and then save it. Write anything here and then save it. This in this way you will preparing the letterhead, and then edit properties, and then this is a letterhead format. That means nothing, I did not write anything here. You may write something and then send it. In this way you will write the in this different ways of writing the letter.